Good morning, class 10 students. First of all, you have to follow the book of NCERT and also S. Chand and Company by Lakhmir Singh Manjeet Kaur. So today we have to discuss about nutrition in amoeba, particularly in animals. Nutrition in amoeba, it is totally holozoic nutrition in which they engulf the food inside their body through either any opening or mouth. The first process is ingestion. It is intake of food by using their pseudopodia. It is an unicellular organism, so it produces its outgrowth, which is called pseudo false footing system, to engulf or capture the micro foods. And then digestion. The digestion is occur inside the cell body, and it is particularly in the food vacuole where it is directly diffused inside the body cytoplasm, cell cytoplasm, where the digested food after digestion get absorbed and ready for utilization, and this is called assimilation. The food is here utilized to make its cell parts, and that lead to growth. So look at the picture. Okay, here look at the picture how amoeba engulf the food and digest it and assimilate it. First they use the pseudopodia to capture the food, and it go inside their cell, and in the food vacuole, in the next picture we have seen that it is inside the food vacuole where several enzymes get digest the food and change it into simple forms, and this simple glucose or carbohydrate is now ready to absorb through the cell cytoplasm, and after that in simple products these are utilized for the cell growth. As it is an unicellular organism, the cellular growth is due to that assimilated food. And finally, when the food is utilized, there are some waste products also generated, and these waste products are generated in the another kind of vacuole where it removes the undigested food either through cell surface or by special type of vacuole called contractile vacuole. And this process is called egestion. So in amoeba we see it is a simple unicellular organism which have holozoic type of nutrition, and it follows all the 5 steps of ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion. Here you can see amoeba follow all the 5 processes of holozoic nutrition: digestion, absorption, assimilation, and finally egestion.